All right, number 41 from page 301. Yuck is my first reaction to this problem. The integral of cosecant squared over cotangent cubed dx. Okay, my trig rules. I know that the derivative of tangent is secant squared. So that reminds me then that the derivative of cotangent is cosecant squared, but with a negative. So now I'm thinking, there's a cosecant squared, there's a cotangent. So if I let u be cotangent, and du is negative cosecant squared, and I'm pretty close. So cotangent is the u, not the cube part though. Du is negative cosecant squared dx, because we just always put the dx on the other side. So I can make the du appear by putting the negative on the cosecant squared and a negative out front, so they counter each other. So all of that is du. Put a negative out front, and that's 1 over u cubed. And I don't want to integrate 1 over u cubed. I'd much rather integrate u to the negative 3. So increase the power by 1, divide by the new power. So u to the negative 2 divided by negative 2. And I still have that negative out front as well. So this would be 1/2. Let's see, u was cotangent. Cotangent of x to the negative 2. Which is an okay answer. I don't know what the back of the book has. But there's always like trig stuff you can do to make your answers look different. Let's see what they did. That's a safe stop, what I've got. But is where the book would stop. 301, 41. They have two different answers there. The one obvious answer would be if you flip cotangent. The flip of cotangent is tangent, because they're reciprocal partners. So you could make that 1/2 tangent of x squared plus c. So either one of those is fine, but safe stop versus your multiple choice answer, being able to see the two different ones.
CalChat took it even farther to 1/2 secant squared of x plus c1.
Do you know where they get that from? So CalChat goes one step further because CalChat, I'm going to CalChat, I guess. Sine squared plus cosine squared is 1. So if I want tangent to show up, I divide by cosine squared. So tangent squared plus 1 equals secant squared. So in place of tangent squared, they put secant squared minus 1. I know, you can shake your head because like, why would anyone do that? Like, I don't know. But that's where they get to replace tangent squared with secant squared. And the plus 1 doesn't really matter because the c is any constant. So that's why they called it a different c, because it's got a plus 1, or I guess a plus 1/2 thrown in there. So, yeah, CalChat sometimes goes overboard. The back of the book has the tangent squared and the secant squared. Other questions from 301?